Hey, if you're looking for a little smaller house in a 55 plus community, we're in one of our favorites in Summerville today.
Yep, we're at Horizons in Summers Corner. And if you don't know us, my name's Mark, this is Jeff. We're with the Charleston Area Living Group. This price point on these new cottages is amazing.
Yeah, low 300. So they've got two new models. They've had 5, 7, 8 different models open for a while now. We've sold a bunch of them already, but they've got two new smaller ones. They call them the cottages. They go from 2 to 4 bedrooms, and they're 1,400 up to 2,200 square feet. Let's check these out. They're really cool.
All right, so Jeff, we were in the Drake, now we're in the Carlisle.
Yeah.
A little bit bigger, a little bit more feeling to it, a little bit wider, right?
Yep.
Pretty nice.
It's like me. It's a little more roomy. It's a little wider, but very lovely.
Yes.
And look, this house comes with like 5 pounds of brown sugar. When you buy the house, you get free brown sugar.
That's why we're blind.
And you use those to bake cookies for your realtors.
Yes. So amenities here are amazing.
Yeah.
Well, it's gonna be amazing.
Yep. They're moving dirt right now, but there's gonna be obviously pickleball, tennis courts, an indoor and outdoor pool, club center, rec center, clubs.
My favorite, the putting green.
The putting greens, and also what's really cool here is they're putting in a restaurant and a bar, so you can go have you an adult beverage, take a golf cart ride. Only one if you're driving the golf cart.
Yep.
State rules.
I really like that walking trail around the main pond.
Yeah. And then outside of this neighborhood, we're still in Summers Corner.
Right.
So there's a restaurant coming up there. There's dog park. And then Buffalo Lake. You can go kayaking, canoeing, fishing. They get a little pavilion there. You can rent and get you married or something. And I went to a wedding there.
Did you?
I did. It was lovely.
Wow.
Beautiful.
That's so cool.
Yeah. I'm not going to get married again though, so I don't think. Andrea, please. I can't do it again.
So we'll show you some more of the neighborhood here in the video, and we'll go from there.
So most importantly, we hope you love the neighborhood, but what do you think about this pose we're doing right now? We put a lot of thought into this.
This is like a realtor pose, for sure.
It really is. I feel like I'm doing glamour shots from what was that in the 80s?
70s
Go to the
maybe?
mall?
I don't
No,
know.
not the 70s. Did they even have cameras in the 70s?
Maybe not.
Anyway, great neighborhood, big fan of this. This is going to be awesome when the amenity center opens, and they've got a bunch of different models, including these two on the smaller side, starting at 1,400 up to closer to 3,000 square feet in some of these.
And we did another video on Horizons, so this was just an update with the 2 new models. So click the link either down below or up above, and you can see the full video there. Of course, if you want to know more about this neighborhood, we would love to talk to you. So there's a link in the description below, or on our main channel up in the top right corner to schedule a Zoom call. Or if you're here locally, we would love to meet with you in person at our Nexon office. Right?
And if you could just do me a favor, leave a note. Who pulls this pose off better against the fireplace, me or Mark? Let us know.
I think it's me.
All right, challenge. Okay. Each have one shot. Whoever is farthest away from the pin, because we have to assume that neither of us are going to put it in,
Right?
has to claim proudly that the other one is the best realtor in the universe.
Furthest way.
Okay. All right.
Oh.
Oh, yes!
Oh. Not fair.
I'm waiting. Oh, Mark, do you have something to tell me?
Jeff,
Yes, loudly.
you're the best realtor in the whole world.
That's what I thought.
I can't believe you got that in.